Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a polygon. 50 pt, okay. And then this fill color. Pick up the stroke color. We need another polygon. 200 pt. Then okay. Hold shift and rotate this polygon. Now select this polygon and align horizontal and vertically center. Now select those and go to object, blend and make a blend. Take a blend option, specific steps 12, preview it, then OK. Now go to object and expand. Select this and change the color for more attractive. We use gradient color. Here is our brand name. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.